Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, over here in the Weather Center with Michelle, and maybe, just maybe, we've got some changes along the way.
Yeah, we're certainly keeping an eye on the situation, Vince, because there's a storm system deep south right now it's a large one.
Yeah.
It's going to bring a lot of snow to portions of the East Coast, and we'll talk about the sort of impact that it'll have here. But right now, all is clear. If you're out running errands this afternoon, maybe trying to grab a little lunch, no weather-related troubles as you head out and about. Just dry skies, bright sunshine. I mean, not a cloud in the sky from our view from CityCam right now, with temperatures right at the freezing mark. It feels noticeably cooler when you factor in a fairly brisk northwesterly wind. That wind direction has been driving in cooler air and drier air, and so through the morning we've actually seen the humidity dropping. It's down to 31% right now. And we'll go ahead and take a look at some of the wind speeds with that northwesterly wind at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Some higher gusts, and it's all keeping the wind chill this afternoon in the teens and 20s. The wind chill at 22 right now, Smithfield 14 in Worcester, and it feels more like 23 degrees in Taunton. And that's with our weather spotters reporting upper 20s to lower 30s. Mike in Westport says very windy. Steve in Warwick 31, sunny and seasonable. And from Jim in North Smithfield, he says still in the upper 20s with bright skies and breezy winds. High pressure building in over the northeast right now. You can see all the sunshine stretching from northern New England down across the majority of Pennsylvania. But there's a big storm in the works. Again, it's right now in the deep south. But look at all of the real estate that we have. Not only clouds, but also rain, sleet, snow stretching from the northern plains, northern Rockies, all the way down to the Texas coastline. The actual center of the storm still again in the western Gulf of Mexico. And this is the track from our Futurecast at noontime today and going on into the afternoon. High pressure in control for our area. That means we stay dry not only for today, but also for the daytime tomorrow. So the high keeps us dry. It also provides the cold air. So as this system moves to the north and east, taps into some of that cold air, and we start to see more in the way of snow for the mid-Atlantic region. The high should also help to steer this storm on the southern side of things for us. So moving off the Carolina coastline, this is Friday night at 11. I mean, major storm. They'll be measuring the snow with a yardstick in Baltimore, Washington, D.C., possibly even Philadelphia. But the question for us is how close does it come? And the new information that I've been looking at heading into this noontime still indicates that the worst of this storm is out over the ocean for us, south of our area. Now, we will likely get brushed with clouds and possibly even some light snow, but the way it's shaping up right now, we dodged the bullet on this one. I'm not ready to write it off because it is still very close to our area. Futurecast for the rest of this afternoon, though, just blustery and sunny, 30 to 35 degrees. Along the south coast, 34, Newport, about 33 in Wickford. Northern suburbs in the lower 30s for highs, about 32 in Scituate. Smithfield coming in close to 32, and we'll keep the sunshine going for the afternoon hours in Taunton, Fall River, and in New Bedford. Still a little blustery, even for the evening drive, and then winds start to die down tonight, and as that happens, temperatures should drop down into the teens to around 20 for most areas. Bus stop tomorrow morning, a chilly but bright start. And then as we head into the afternoon, the clouds start to roll in, temperatures around 33 to 37. Saturday, again, the time frame for the possible snow, although right now it's looking very light for our area. Sunday's dry and chilly. Snow lovers, maybe another chance the middle of next week.
What has to happen for this to really hit us?
It's got to jog about 50 to 100 miles to the north for us to see accumulating snow. A major snowstorm at this point for us doesn't look like it's in the works for us this time around.
Okay. Fingers crossed. Thanks, Michelle.